tips to study perfectly for your term exam and to score good marks. First tip is that when your term starts, in that month you have 6 main subjects. So you can give 5 days for each subject within that month. You just complete one time reading of each subject and understand the basic concepts very clearly within that whole month, and also mark question answers of each lesson. Maths practice to be done daily for at least minimum 2 hours, and make a separate formula book for mathematics which will help you a lot while studying mathematics. You can also divide that 5 days of each subject into how many lessons to be completed on each day of that particular subject according to your capacity. Also, if you have not understood any concept or if you have any questions related to the studies, you may ask your teacher and clear your doubts. Example, July month you have to complete all these things. Second tip is that after one time completion of your syllabus reading, now you may again follow the same timetable given above. And now you have to learn your questions and answers and revise your mathematics theorems and formulae and practice more and more practice sets for mathematics. Also, make yourself clear that in this month you are not left with any syllabus completion. If you are left with any subject syllabus to be completed, then do it at the starting of this month and then accordingly plan your further days of the month. For example, August month you have to complete all these things. Third tip is that for last month before your exam, you just have to follow the same timetable, and now you just have to revise with whatever you have studied and solve more and more practice paper sets in this month of each subject so that you will be ready to attempt any question which comes in your exam. Also prepare yourself for the orals. For example, September month you have to complete all these things, and most probably your term exams will be in the October month, so be well prepared for that, for everything which will come to you. Note, doing all these things, also participate in your school's cultural activities and sports. You must learn to manage your studies as well as your cultural activities and competitions well. Then only you will be all rounder and your personality will develop very well during your school days itself. So study well and enjoy your life.